It's another Cool Tips Tuesday at Brizy, and today we'll give ET something to phone home about. Well, here we have a typical contact page. But what about if you wanted to add a button or a link on this page that if people clicked on it, it will open an app on which it can phone the number. Here you have the traditional number, but what can you do to make sure that people click on it and they can phone out? This is very useful, especially on mobile phones where people can click and it will dial out automatically. Well, I'll bring in a button on this contact page, go up to Add Elements, and I grab my button over here and I'll drag it under here within the contact section. Let's change the text to phone us. And then let's go and style it a little bit. I'll change the icon first. Let's make this phone. So I'm going to say call. And then we can grab a glyph. Yeah, let's go for a glyph. Nice one. Let's put it on the left and let's make it big. And now my button is styled. Everything is ready. I could make the text a little bit bigger if I wanted to. If I really wanted to be in your face. And then while I'm here, let's go back to icon and just put a little bit of space between the phone and the text. And all you need to do now is go up here to the link, and this can be done for any element that has a link function. And all you type in here is tell, colon, and then the number. Number, and there we go. That's all. Did you see what I did? Let's do it again. Click here on the link, link to, tell, colon, and then the number. Let's save it, and then let's see how it will display on the front end. Click here on preview after it has updated. And there is our button coming in. If I click on it, it will ask me which app I want to use to dial out. Another great tip here on our Cool Tips Tuesday.